All right, development charges. We had some HST news about rebates for everyone buying a new build, and then the federal government and provincial government jointly announced that they are going to work with municipalities to reduce or eliminate development charges for a period of time. Well, that needs buy-in from municipalities, right? So that's not carved in the stone yet. But just to give you an example of development charges, some cities, it can cost you as much as $80,000 in charges before you've even put a shovel in the ground, right? So that's how much it's going to cost somebody who wants to develop a house, a detached house, a semi, just to try to get the approval to build the bloody thing, right? So, but again, we need buy-in. Will it help? I don't know. Hopefully builders don't raise their prices once that stuff comes into play and they keep the prices down, but who knows? But that's high level development charges. That's just to give you the okay to be able to start building. See you later.